Welcome to class 6 of capacitance. In the previous class, we have read about the energy stored in a capacitor, then energy density. Then next we will discuss energy stored in a series combination of capacitors. You see, in series combination 1 by C equivalent is 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus dot 1 by Cn, and energy formula is Q square by 2C. Instead of C, that is C equivalent. So U equal to half Q square 1 by C jagare 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 dot 1 by Cn. U equal to Q square by 2C1 is U1 plus Q square by 2C2 is U2 dot Un. The total energy stored in the system is the sum of energy stored in the individual capacitors. Then go for parallel combination in the same way. For parallel combination, C equal to C1 plus C2 dot Cn, U equal to half C V square, half V square C1 plus C2 dot Cn. Half C1 V square is U1, half C2 V square is U2, energy stored in first, then energy stored in second dot in nth. That means the total energy stored when the capacitors are connected in series or in parallel, the total energy stored is the sum of energy stored in the individual capacitors. Then loss of energy on sharing of charges between the capacitor in parallel we will discuss now. Just you see, just little bit I am explaining, again in detail I will explain. Suppose two capacitors C1 and C2 are connected in parallel, having charges Q1 and Q2, potentials V1 and V2. Then after connection there will be flow of charge from one capacitor to another, that is called sharing of charges or redistribution of charges. That is, charge flows from higher potential to lower potential till the potential becomes same, that I will explain in detail. Okay. Just you see, I will explain. This derivation we will do now. You see again, energy stored in series combination. In series combination, total charge is constant. Hence, the formula for energy stored is, there are three formulas, just I have told in the previous class. One is Q square by 2C, second one is half CV square, third one is half Q into V. So here a charge is constant, hence Q square by 2C equivalent. Q square by 2 is common, instead of 1 by C equivalent, 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 dot 1 by Cn. Then Q square by 2C1 plus Q square by 2C2 plus Q square by 2Cn. This Q square by 2C1 is energy stored in first capacitor. Q square, charge is same as series combination, 2C1 plus Q square by 2C2 for second dot Q square by 2Cn for nth capacitor. That means if capacitors are connected in series, then the total energy stored is equal to sum of the energy stored in individual capacitors. Okay, then go for the parallel combination. Energy stored in parallel combination. In parallel combination, potential is constant, V is constant. Hence, the formula is U equal to half C equivalent V square. In parallel combination, the formula for C equivalent is C1 plus C2 dot Cn into V square, half C1 V square plus half C2 V square plus dot 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 half Cn V square. Half C1 V square is U1, half C2 V square is U2, half Cn V square is Un. In both series and parallel, the total energy stored is equal to the sum of the energy stored in individual capacitors. Okay? Then we go for common potential, that is called the sharing of charges. This is first capacitor having capacitance C1, potential difference is V1. Second capacitor, capacitance C2, potential difference is V2. When here also this is for spheres. Suppose there is any spherical conductor having charge Q1 initially, potential is V1. In council one question comes, charge given, radius given in numerical. For second, charge given, radius given. Charge basically pila kohibe seti question thila, both are connected by a wire. Whether there will be flow of charge or not. Both pila radius को चिंता करिवेनी, चार्ज देखिदेवे. आर यदि बेसी चार्ज अछि यार यदि कम चार्ज अछि ताले लिखिदेवे बेसी चार्ज रु कम चार्ज. किंतु प्रॉब्लम रे एमिति भाबरे सेट करथिला जे नो चार्ज फ्लो हला वाला थिला. तो यस लिखिले, जदि लिखिबो देयर इज नो फ्लो ऑफ चार्ज और देयर इज फ्लो ऑफ चार्ज तो रॉन्ग. यस और नो थिला, वेदर एनी फ्लो ऑफ चार्ज ऑकर्स और नॉट. एक्चुअली आंसर थिला नो. मैक्सिमम पिला यस लिखि देथिले. हाई चार्ज रु लो चार्ज को फ्लो होबो. किंतु क्वेश्चन एमिति भाबरे सेट थिला जे यार पोटेंशियल और यार पोटेंशियल समान रहइबो. आमे जानि छे व्हेन देयर इज सम पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस देन ओनली देयर विल बी फ्लो ऑफ चार्ज. तो पोटेंशियल केमति बाहर करिवो स्फीयर रो 1/4πε0 q1 by r1. तो डाटाटा यूज होबो. यारो चार्ज बाय यारो रेशियो बाहर करिवो 1/4πε0 q1 by r1. एटा हमें करिथिले पोटेंशियल रे 1/4πε0 q2 by r2 बाहर करिवो. जदि पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस आसीबो ताहले तमे कहबो हाई पोटेंशियल रु लो पोटेंशियल को चार्ज विल फ्लो. दैट मीन्स एक्चुअली हायर चार्ज रु लोअर चार्ज को चार्ज फ्लो होनी, हाई पोटेंशियल रु लो पोटेंशियल को फ्लो करूची. सिमिलरली when capacitors are connected in series combination the charge is same, सेतमे सीरीज रे निया होनी. बट ये गोटे कैपेसिटर अछि, ये गोटे कैपेसिटर, अलगा अलगा कैपेसिटर. यार गोटे पोटेंशियल अछि V1, ये यार गोटे पोटेंशियल अछि V2. दीटा जाको जदि हमें पैरेलली कनेक्शन कर दबा ताले देयर विल बी फ्लो ऑफ चार्ज occurs from higher potential to lower potential till the potential becomes same. That potential is called common potential. What is common potential? Let us go for the derivation. It is a very important, again 3-mark question. Derivation, mainly numerical comes. So initially suppose there is no connection, that means before sharing. The first, what is common potential? When two capacitors having different potential connected by a wire in parallelly, then the charge will flow from higher potential to lower potential, high potential to low potential till both become same, means common. This common potential is called the common potential. This derivation is also called sharing of charge. Common potential or sharing of charge. A charge will flow, there will be share till the potential becomes same, not charge. Charge is different. Total charge is conserved, but individual charge varies. So before sharing, charge of first capacitor Q1 equal to C1 V1. Charge of second capacitor Q2 is equal to C2 V2 connection हेइनी हेला पूर्वर यार चार्ज है C1 V1 यार चार्ज है C2 V2 यार चार्ज तो Q1 Q2 गिवन अच्छी ये अलग जस्ट बुझापी लिखी मेन हूँ यहाँ then what is the total charge of the system or combination total charge Q total Q1 plus Q2 Q total is C1 V1 plus C2 V2 then after sharing the potential becomes same charge will flow till the potential becomes equal after sharing charge of first capacitor suppose Q1 days a charge flow charge और समान रहिबो कि जोठी हाई थिला तार चार्ज कमिबो जे लो पोटेंशियल चलला चार्ज इंक्रीज करिवो तो Q1 days is C1 into V charge of second Q2 days is C2 into V and total charge Q total equal to C1V plus C2V but Q total days but according to conservation of charge total charge before sharing equal to total charge after sharing this is before this is after the before is C1V1 plus C2V2 after is C1V plus C2V then our aim is to determine the common potential V C1 plus C2 into V the V equal to C1V1 plus C2V2 by C1 plus C2 this is the formula for common potential okay in problems C1 is given council जो क्वेश्चन आसीबो फर्स्ट कैपेसिटर वैल्यू दे देथिबो पोटेंशियल वैल्यू दे देथिबो सेकंड कैपेसिटर वैल्यू देथिबो पोटेंशियल भी देथिबो बेले बेले सेकंड टाको अनचार्ज दे थाए दी तीन थर क्वेश्चन आछि 3 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन 2 मार्क क्वेश्चन पोटेंशियल सेकंड रो इधर देई थाए बेले बेले अनचार्ज भी देथिबो ताले कॉमन पोटेंशियल बाहर करो पड़थिबो तो सपोज गोटे सिंपल प्रॉब्लम टे लिखिबा फॉर्मूला मन रहिला C1V1 plus C2V2 by C1 plus C2 okay let's suppose question में just numerical given wise दे दोची if C1 suppose 10 microfarad V1 suppose 50 volts say C2 suppose 5 microfarad V2 is 0 uncharged means 0 uncharged और सेकेंड रो वैल्यू भी देई थाई पारे ये जदी uncharged माने यार चार्ज अछि यार uncharged माने देयर इज नो पोटेंशियल हेंस पोटेंशियल इज 0 एदर uncharged हेथिबो माने 0 नबो सब बेले सेकेंड टा 0 नै जीवनी जदी वैल्यू देथिबो वैल्यू नबो ताले बर्तन आंसर टा 50 और 0 भितरे रहइबो 0 किछि गेन करिवो माने अनचार्ज टा बा सेकेंड टा 50 किसी लॉस करिवो तो 50 और 0 भितर आंसर रहला एति की फर्स्ट ट्रिक बटन फार्मूला पुट करो वी नो v इक्वल टू C1 V1 plus C2 V2 by C1 plus C2 the C1 is 10 into 50 plus C2 is 5 into 0 माइक्रो पाई मुझे लिखुनी कहीं ऊपर भी माइक्रो आसो तले भी माइक्रो आसो तो वैल्यू लिखा किसी दरकार ना आंसर टा तुम वोल्ट रे आसो मन कर तुम माइक्रो लिखिल 10 टू द पावर -6 मल्टीप्लाई करिवो तो डिनोमिनेटर भी से C1 रे माइक्रो अछि C2 रे माइक्रो अछि तो कटि जीवो तो न लिखिक भी डायरेक्ट वैल्यू पकेले भी हबो तो C1 केते 10 C2 केते 5 इनटू 10 टू द पावर -6 माइक्रो पई तो कटि गला तो केते आसला एटा हला V common is 500 second one is 0 by 15 तो कहते आसबो 100 by 3 33.3 कहितली 50 और 0 भितर आंसर आसबो ता माने कॉमन हे गला 33.3 बुझी होची ना नै तुमको सपोज कॉमन जिनछड़ा तुम देख सपोज आम खरा दिन रे पानी आम ठंडा करी पिउचे ना कहीं बाहर टेम्परेचर अधिका थाउची तो आमको टिके ठंडा पानी पीले भल लगुची तो कौन करूचे जो नॉर्मल वाटर अच्छी से किसी आइस मिसे दोचे ना नॉर्मल वाटर रो टेम्परेचर कौन थिला अधिका थिला आइस रो टेम्परेचर समस्त जानचो कम ना आइस टा कम तो नेगेटिव रे थाए सी अधिका थिला सपोज से 30 खंडे थिला ये नेगेटिव अच्छी जो ऐड हे गले कौन हबो मिक्सचर हो जीव ना नहीं दैट इज ए मिक्सचर ऑफ आइस वाटर शीत दिन आम तार उल्टा करुचे बाहर ठंडा थाए पानी भी बहुत ठंडा थाए आम ताको हीट करी पिउचे तो सिमिलरली एठी हाई पोटेंशियल रो लो पोटेंशियल को चार्ज विल फ्लो till the potential becomes same this is called common potential then what about the energy तमे कहबो charge is conserved but energy conservation obey होउची कि नहीं whether energy is conserved you see in the PowerPoint the total energy before sharing initial energy of first capacitor half C1 V1 square second capacitor half C2 V2 square total energy is half C1 V1 square plus half C2 V2 square. This is before sharing. Then after sharing, half C1 plus C2 V square. Then if you find the difference, then U initial minus U final, then you will find this answer. It is your duty. Instead of V, you have to put C1 V1 plus C2 V2 by C1 plus C2 and then solve. Then show me. Okay. Then we will get U initial minus U final. After solving, if you put the value of V here, we will get this value. See this value C1 C2 V1 minus V2 whole square by 2 into C1 plus C2. This term is a positive term. C1 capacitance never be negative. C1 is positive. C2 is also positive. A square of a term जदि V1 बेसी हो V2 रु कि V1 कम हो V2 रु डिफरेंस रो स्क्वायर ता सब बेले पॉजिटिव ही रहइबो डिनोमिनेटर भी पॉजिटिव तो U initial minus U final is a positive term that means total initial energy is more than final total energy then energy को सरी होची कि आमे जानि जे always energy is conserved ना नहीं energy conserved मु खाई के आस्तिली बर्तन मते भूख लागलानी ता माने कोन मु जहा एनर्जी गेन करथिली सेटा बर्तन साउंड आकार रे खर्च करियार लागि छी तो एनर्जी सरी जाउची कि नो इट कन्वर्ट्स फ्रॉम वन फॉर्म टू अनदर तो एई जगह रे भी टोटल एनर्जी थिला सपोज 100 फाइनल एनर्जी सपोज आसिला 50 तो 50 कोडे गला से जो वायर रे चार्ज फ्लो होची से वायर टा गरम हो जाउची एक्चुअली तमर जो सपोज करंट देले हम लाइट पाउचे बहुत एनर्जी वेस्ट होची वेस्ट माने हीट फॉर्म रे देखियो बल्ब टा गरम हो जाय तो एनर्जी तमर बहुत खर्च हो जाए हीट आकार रे तो एठी मध्य व्हेन द टू कैपेसिटर्स आर कनेक्टेड पैरेलली बाय वायर देन देयर विल बी लॉस ऑफ एनर्जी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हीट Therefore, there is some loss of energy when two charged capacitors are connected together. The loss of energy appears as heat and the wire connecting the two capacitors may become hot. Then you again see one very important thing. If the dielectric slab occupies the whole space between the plates, this is very important for a entrance point of view, between the plates, that means when whole the gap is filled with dielectric, then capacitance increases, we all know. Capacitance becomes K times. But what about the other things? This is important 1 mark question. There are two cases. That means what is the effect of dielectric on various parameters? Okay, what are the parameters? Capacitance to no doubt increase habo K times because dielectric dele potential difference decrease habo, capacitance बढ़िबो. बाकी टर्म रे कोन इफेक्ट अछि, चार्ज रे कोन इफेक्ट अछि, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड रे कोन इफेक्ट अछि, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस रे कोन इफेक्ट अछि, एनर्जी स्टोर रे कोन इफेक्ट अछि, हमें स्टडी करबा. Okay, you see when dielectric is placed, the charge remains same with battery disconnected. जदि आमे बैटरी को once चार्ज हैला बाहर कर देबा तापरे डाइलेक्ट्रिक इंसर्ट करिबा चार्ज रो किछि चेंज होबनी. बोथ डेरिवेशन रे चार्ज रिमेन सेम, बट इन सेकंड केस द चार्ज increases K times. Capacitance increases in both the cases K times. But with battery connected means we kept connected the battery. Then electric field decreases in first case, but in second case remains same. I will elaborate. Potential difference decreases and here potential difference remains same. And what about the energy we will discuss. Okay, you see main is charge, potential, capacitance and energy. That means suppose this is a capacitor. Initially suppose capacitance is C0. Initial capacitance C0, potential difference suppose given V0, electric field E0, energy stored U0, charge suppose Q0. Now this is the case 1 when battery kept disconnected. Effect of dielectric on the above parameter. That means initially when there is no dielectric and some potential difference is given, it stores some charge. What is that charge? Q0, capacitance suppose C0, electric field is there E0 in air, energy is also there, half C V square or V0 square. Now put a dielectric of dielectric constant K. Then charge remains same. In both the cases we have seen the derivation. Charge same. This is 1 mark question. In capacitance, in case of a capacitor, when dielectric is inserted, which physical quantity remains same? When the battery is disconnected. Battery kept connected, battery kept disconnected, or battery is disconnected. Then Q remains same. Q means charge. Charge remains same. That is Q equal to Q0. Okay. Then what about the other things? Capacitance becomes K times Y. Potential difference decreases. V becomes 1 by k times. Potential difference decreases by k times because electric field also decreases by k times. E equal to E0 by k. Then what about capacitance? Q equal to CV, then C equal to Q by V. Okay, a charge remains same, but potential becomes 1 by k times V0 by k. Then k Q by V0. This becomes k times. The capacitance becomes k times. Then what are the factors change? Charge remains same. Potential difference decreases by k times. Electric field decreases by k times. But capacitance increases by k times. What about energy? Half CV square. Half C is KC0. V is V0 by k square. Half KC0 V0 square by k square. So half C0 V0 square by k. This is U0 by k. That means the energy decreases. But as capacitance increases, hence it is used. But when the battery kept connected, means suppose we are supplying a potential difference V. Initially there is AR only. The initial charge suppose Q0. But since the battery kept connected, the potential difference remains same. V same, that is V0 is V. E0 also E. Because it supplies constant potential. There is no decrease in potential. But capacitance will increases. Capacitance becomes k times because of the dielectric. Then what about charge? Q equal to CV. V remains same, but capacitance becomes k times. Hence charge becomes k times. Similarly, we can determine energy. As V remains same, this remains same, but capacitance becomes k times, hence energy becomes k times k U0. Okay, then what are the things changes and what are the thing remains same? Before the dielectric, this is capacitance, this is potential, this is electric field, this is energy. When battery kept disconnected, capacitance becomes k times. It decreases by k times. Electric field decreases by k times. Energy decreases by k times. Charge remains same. But when battery kept connected, then what are the things remain same? V remains same. Electric field remains same. But capacitance increases in both the cases. Here charge also increases. Energy also increases. This comes in entrance examination. Another very important thing in capacitance for entrance point of view, that is effect of dielectric, compound dielectric on capacitance. Compound dielectric means different kinds of dielectric. Suppose one half one type of dielectric, in another half another type of dielectric. Then what is the effect on capacitance? If one kind of dielectric is there, then capacitance will increase k times. Suppose different kinds of dielectrics are there. So capacitance of a capacitor, having compound dielectric. There are two types of grouping again here, series and parallel. Let me suppose this is a capacitor. Compound dielectric, compound. Compound means different kind. Suppose this half is one kind, this half is other kind. Dielectric constant K1, here K2. Distance is divided here. Total distance is D. Suppose this half is D by 2. This is also D by 2. This is one kind. Another is this area division. This is distance division. Area division means like this. Area is A by 2. Suppose this is one kind. Dielectric constant of one half K1, other half K2. Here distance remains same. Two kinds of dielectrics are there. Then how we will solve? There are two ways we can solve this. In a general way we can derive, or in a simpler way. Here remember one thing, if distance is divided, the combination is series. If distance is divided, then the combination is series. If area is divided, the combination is parallel. This is parallel. How? I will explain. Here, this is one plate. This is one capacitor. This is another capacitor. Suppose this side is positive, this side is negative. So this is positive. Here, negative kind is induced. This is positive, negative. But this is negative, here positive is induced. That means this plate one for both. This is C1, this is C2. C1 ର first plate ଏଟା, second plate ଏଟା. C2 ର first plate ଏଟା, second plate ଏଟା. ତା ମାନେ यार गोटे प्लेट याकू लागिछि, यार अदर प्लेट अदर एंड को लागिछि. किंतु एठी देखो, एटा गोटे कैपेसिटर, यार गोटे प्लेट ए कॉमन पॉइंट ए, ता माने सपोज पॉजिटिव. ये गोटे कैपेसिटर, आर कॉमन पॉइंट एठी को लागिछि. ये आ गोटे प्लेट हला, ए बी पॉइंट को लागिछि, ये सेमती बी को लागिछि. ता माने एतिकी गोटे कैपेसिटर, कॉमन पॉइंट ए, एपट साइड ए, सेमती सेकंड प्लेट बी, बी. ता माने एटा पैरेलल. मन रखिबो, सिंपल वे होचे डिस्टेंस डिवाइड हेले सीरीज, एरिया डिवाइड हेले पैरेलल. तो एठी C1 रो फार्मूला केते? C1 equal to K1 epsilon 0 A. एरिया रिमेन सेम, पूरा प्लेट अच्छी. डिस्टेंस टा डिवाइड हो गला d by 2. तो 2K1 epsilon 0 A by d. Similarly C2 equal to K2 epsilon 0 A by d by 2. तो C2 equal to 2K2 epsilon 0 A by d. Then both are in series and 1 by C equivalent is 1 by C1 d by 2K1 epsilon 0 A plus 1 by C2 d by 2K2 epsilon 0 A. 1 by C1 उल्टी होला. That implies common nature, simplify d by 2 epsilon 0 A common, 1 by K1 plus 1 by K2. d by 2 epsilon 0 A K1 K2 into K2 plus K1. The 2 epsilon 0 A K1 K2 by d into K1 plus K2. This is 1 by C उल्टे दिले. This is one equivalent. Then what is C equivalent? Just reverse 2 epsilon 0 A by D K1 K2 by K1 plus K2. There is a common formula. What is that formula? We can write directly also. C equivalent is epsilon 0 A remains same. Area is not changing. D1 by K1 plus D2 by K2. Suppose n dielectrics are there. D1, this is second, D2, different kind, dot 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 Dn. Okay, then dot 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 Dn by Kn. If you put this, that means here instead of D1, D by 2, instead of D2, D by 2, then here only 2 parts, suppose 3 parts are there, then you will use T3. So epsilon 0 A by D by 2, 1 by K1 plus 1 by K2. The same answer you will get. Okay. Then for this derivation, here area is divided, hence the combination is parallel. Then C1 equal to K1 epsilon 0 A by 2 into D, distance remains same. C2 equal to K2 epsilon 0 A by 2 into D. Then C equivalent is C1 plus C2. So epsilon 0 A by 2 D K1 plus K2. If we in this way general formula, similarly for compound dielectric, if area is divided, that means suppose the plates are divided into n parts. This is first, second, dot 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 nth part, K1 dot dot Kn, say K1, K2, Kn. Then common formula is C equivalent is epsilon 0 by D. जोटा समान रहथो ताकू चेंज करिवनी. K1 A1 plus K2 A2 dot 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 Kn An. Here instead of A1 A by 2, instead of A2 A by 2, then A by 2 is common, epsilon 0 A by 2 D K1 plus K2. Okay, thank you.